Welcome back, my butterfly kaleidoscope, to One Hook, Two Hands. This is Sarah, the creator behind One Hook, Two Hands. And today we are doing our week 2 sneak peek bots video, or About All the Stitches video. If you are new here, welcome. I like to call my subscribers butterflies because butterflies bring me hope and joy, and each and every one of you bring me hope and joy every day. And kaleidoscope, because a kaleidoscope is what happens when butterflies land and take off in a group. And then, as you saw in the beginning of the video, that's how I like to imagine all of you coming around to watch mine. Now today, like I said, we are doing our Battle of the Stitches sneak peek video. If you're new to Battle of the Stitches is a joint collaboration between Teresa from Critters Crochet and Heather from Strings and Threads, where every month they teach a stitch out of the 200 Crochet Stitches book, Step-by-Step Guide by Tracy Todd Hunter. And they do a whole month on that one stitch. The first week, they and 2 smaller creators come together and teach you how to do the stitch. Week 2, we do a sneak peek preview of whatever we're going to make with that stitch. Week 3, we show you what we have made based on this stitch. Week 4, there is a live on Heather at Stitches and Threads channel. I'll try to post everybody down below. If I don't get it in the description box today, I will get it in tomorrow. I apologize. And I will try to link their videos as well as soon as they come out. But each one of us do our video, and then on week 4, everybody's together in a live hosted on Heather's channel. And during week 3, there is a voting process where you can see what each person has made, and you can go and vote on which is your favorite, and then comment under the poll on Heather's channel. And one person who comments will be given the choice of which to receive whichever thing someone has made. That said, it doesn't even have to be what you voted for. It could just be, I like that thing better personally, but I think that the other person made this thing was pretty cool. So that said, this month we are doing the chain link shell stitch. Here's a better picture of it right here. And I'm really enjoying this stitch, and honestly I could think about 15 other things I can make with it. If I had had time, I would have made something similar to my September project. I would have made a skirt with it. However, I didn't quite have the time for that. So, and if you weren't here last week, I spilled something on my book, so the pages are a little dirty. I apologize. However, but that is our stitch for this month. I decided to join this month because August is my birth month, and so I'm really enjoying this. And now I'm going to show you what I am making. Now, it is not completely done, so I'm not going to show it in a weird or odd way. I'm just going to show you what I've got so far, because this is what I've got so far. So this is my project so far. So I hope you guys can guess what I am making. Please comment down below with any things that you think I am doing with this. And I will see you next week to tell you what I have actually made. And yeah, we'll discuss it then. But I'm really interested to see if any of you guys get this. But that is what I have so far. I will see you next week, and I can't wait to show you what I've made. If you enjoyed this, please feel free to flutter on down to the like button or over to the subscribe to see what happens next week. I love y'all. Be safe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.